10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us. And Bobby, lightning is so common this time of year. We have a weather impact alert in place for tomorrow.
So we're going to get stronger storms. The overall coverage of storms won't be a lot tomorrow. Kind of similar to what we saw today, but by Thursday and Friday they will sped up, and then we'll see more storms altogether. So we want to be watching that lightning. What do we had? New Smyrna Beach, we had Holmes Beach, and then we had Marco Island in just the last 4 or 5 days. Right. I mean, please be careful. Lightning can go 10 to 20 miles outside of a thunderstorm. It does not need to be raining for you to get struck by lightning. So if it's coming close and you hear that thunder, get inside, get off of the beach, get into a car at the very least, but inside a structure. All right, let's get you out there right now. Weather impact alert. So this is the one that starts tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock. It goes Thursday afternoon and Friday afternoon. And it'll be the afternoon and evening hours when we get our storms. And the threat that we're talking about, the impact, is hail. Could get to an inch in diameter. That's almost ping pong size. That's getting big. That's about nickel size. With that, those storms, when they have large hail, they tend to bring down a lot of wind as well. So damaging winds are possible. We had winds today in those storms in the 40s. We could certainly be upper 40s to upper 50s over the next few days. Again, tomorrow I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rain out there, but the ones that we do see could be on the stronger side. It's quiet out there right now. We don't have any issues for the overnight hours. You can see the orange here on the water vapor loop. That's drier air. That's one of the reasons why we had less rain today. In fact, it was moving to the south, and you can see we had some storms there, but it was really starting to dry things out. Now, that's the upper level low. This has cooler air near the middle of it. And so when we heat up down here and those storms start to grow up, they grow up into that cold air, they get even taller, and they can make more hail because it's colder up there, and that's the problem. So we'll be watching it. Storm Prediction Center says it's a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. This is for tomorrow. That's Thursday. I think Friday will look just the same, and that's why we have it for all 3 afternoons. Right now, it's very quiet. Temperature is about 82 degrees. Dave says, it's still muggy out there? It's like, yeah, Dave, to September. Well, no, I'm lying now. What am I talking about? November 1st? Maybe, if we're lucky. But it has been, and in fact, I think it gets a little worse. We've had light winds, but generally out of the east. Next week, they're out of the south and the west. Dew points now are in the mid-70s. That's when it's in the 70s, it's muggy. Mid-70s now. I think they go upper 70s next week. It's really going to get muggy. All right, so air temps generally in the upper 70s to low 80s. We'll drop another couple degrees. This is the overnight hours. You'll notice we'll wake up dry for that morning commute. No issues there. But by 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, a few storms inland. And they come back towards the coast by 4:30, 5 o'clock. And again, not a lot of rain, but some of those could be on the strong side. Now, let's go out to Thursday. This is the morning. We're dry, still easterly winds. Here they come popping up, more moisture to work with. That's 2 o'clock, a few here, but mainly inland. And then they come back towards the coast again in the afternoon and evening hours. Friday looks very similar with this, and that's the reason why we'll be watching those storms. So this is the planner for your Wednesday. There's your weather impact from 2 to 9 p.m., low 90s for highs. It will look very similar both Wednesday, Thursday, and even into Friday. Light easterly winds for the most part will go southeast in the morning, then around to the west in the afternoon, but not a lot of wind, but some storms in the afternoon hours. So anytime after 2 to 3 o'clock, keep your eye to the sky. All right, now let's talk about this. This post-tropical storm, Andrea, first named storm of the year. It was a tropical storm. We only got to 40-mile-per-hour winds. It's down to 35. That thing's over 2,000 miles away from us. The convection's blown off. It's got this low-level swirl you can see here with the visible satellite, but there's no big storms because it's been sheared apart. They do have a track that will basically expire overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And yeah, we were even running forecast models on it. You can see it's taking it way out to sea. Fish storms, we would love to keep those all season long. Right now, the models, and I don't see much development in the tropics through about the 8th of July. And let's hope that holds. That would be really good news. Otherwise, there's your 7-day forecast. You see those reds in the afternoon, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are our alerts. The weekend, low 90s, but rain chances coming down a little bit. Pride Parade right now on Saturday is looking pretty good, but I do expect afternoon storms.